today's video, we will review and unbox this new PLDT Home Prepaid Wi-Fi, the 5G Advanced guys ng PLDT. So, ito yung pinakbago ng modem guys, okay? Up to 10 times faster versus regular LTE Home Wi-Fi devices. But later on, we will see kung 10 times faster na ba yan sa ating home Wi-Fi. And also, it comes with a free LTE Wi-Fi or unlimited internet guys, valid for 15 days. So, sa side ng box, guys, makikita niyo dito, guys, yung variant and also the model ng ating modem. It includes H153-381 device. And also, guys, actually, dalawa yung nirelease ng PLDT, guys, the 382 and the 381 WiFi. And also, makikita niyo dito sa baba, guys, yung ating SIM expiration date. Okay. So, nandito sa side natin yung mga features na pwede nyo ma-experience during ng pag-connect sa ating Wi-Fi. And also guys, sa back side natin dito, makikita natin dito guys yung mga instructions and other important details kung paano mag-register, activate ng SIM. Ayan. And also kung saan pwede mag-load or mag-top up ng ating Wi-Fi. And yet, mag-download ng smart yun. So, yung kanina pala guys, nandito pala yung features, no? Yung Wi-Fi 6, naka-Wi-Fi 6 na siya. Okay, supported na Wi-Fi 6. Also, up to 15 devices and of course, plug and play and also the custom top-up. Okay, so hindi nyo na need mag-contract. So, of course, wala namang contract, monthly bills. And so, upon unboxing this white modem, yan. So, let's unbox this first. First guys, makikita niyo sa ating DAX is yung ating modem with 3 indicators. First is the 5G, 4G, and the status. Next is the papers guys, and hindi mawawala yung mga quick start guide, warranty, and other stickers. Yeah. Of course, yung ating smart SIM. Ayan guys, which is naka-inserted na siya doon sa ating modem. And also the LAN cable guys. Ayan yung LAN cable natin or kinatawag na RJ45. So yeah. And also it comes with the power adapter. So medyo mahaba naman guys yung ating wire ng adapter nyo, which it takes I think nasa 2 meters ata yung haba niya. Or 1 I think. Okay, so sa Wi-Fi naman tayo guys, no, sa modem. So, ganito siya kalaki yung ating modem guys. Ayan, medyo malaki din naman and okay din yung sizes. And makikita natin dito sa indicators guys na may tatlo siyang indicators. The 5G indicator, 4G indicator, and yung status na Wi-Fi natin. And yan, makikita niyo based on the colors guys na ni-release ng ating Wi-Fi. Sa likod yan guys, nandito guys yung ating Wi-Fi number and also yung ating SIM card expiration sticker. Sa baba niya, nandito guys yung tel ports, LAN 1 ports. Ayan. Ito yung LAN 1 ports, yung telephone ports, the power port, and yung WPS button. Yeah. So, yeah. Makikita niyo guys yung mga corners niya. Naka-curve siya talaga. Hindi siya yung pointed, yung corners. Ayan. Sa baba niyan also, makikita niyo dito yung SIM card na naka-nano pala ito, no? Yan, yung mga default settings nandiyan siya guys. So, let's try open to. And makikita niyo dito guys yung maliit na hole, that was the reset button guys. And yung ating SIM card lagay na SIM card. Ayan. Sa taas din guys, may ventilation din dito na medyo manipis lang yung hole na. And then, sa pinakababa niyan may ventilation din. Ayan. May ventilation din dito para iwas init na rin sa device natin and overheat sa device natin. So, yun lang. So, again, don't forget to click the subscribe button, click the bell icon guys. And just yung para palagi kayong updated sa